रात में ही जागते हैं ये गुनाहों के घर, इनकी राहें खोले बाहें जो भी आए इधर। आहा आहा, ये है गुमराहों का रास्ता, मुस्कानें झूठी है, पहचाने झूठी है, रंगीनी है छाई फिर भी है तन्हाई, मुस्कानें झूठी है, पहचाने झूठी है, रंगीनी है छाई फिर भी है तन्हाई। Namaste, hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Genia and this is episode 3 of season 2 of Yado Ki Almari, and I hope you've been enjoying all the episodes so far. This video is once again one of the videos that's really close to my heart because it is about one of my college memories that I cherish and will continue to cherish forever. And that event is the Bollywood Orchestra. So, for those of you who know me, they know that there are two things I love the most in the world. One is Bollywood, and the second is music. So, when you have a college event that combines the both of these, what more in life do you want? तो ये जो event है, since the time I stepped into Xavier's in FYJC, मुझे इस event के बारे में पता था, but because of studies and because of being new to the environment, I couldn't start taking part in this event until my first year of डिग्री कॉलेज। तो जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में आई तो मैंने डिसाइड कर ही लिया था कि आई एम डेफिनेटली टेकिंग पार्ट इन दिस। ऑडिशन किया, आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड एंड just being a part of that event made me fall in love with Bollywood Orchestra. So basically, ये जो event है, this is organized as a part of ANTAS, which is the annual departmental fest of the Hindi department of our college. And बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ेदार इवेंट होता है ये। तो कंटिन्यूसली 3 सालों तक मैंने इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर एंड थर्ड ईयर। एंड थर्ड ईयर में जो मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, जिसकी झलकियां आप देखने वाले हैं, इट वॉज अ वेरी स्पेशल ईयर फॉर मी बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट जस्ट participating as a singer, but I was also the Sangeet head. And this is one of the major college fests जो मैंने manage किया था. So it was a very, very exciting time for me. Stressful था, pressurizing था, but बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. सो आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड एज अ संगीत हेड एंड मेरी ये शर्त थी, मैंने अपने प्रोफेसर को पहले ही बोला था दैट इवन दो आई एम द हेड, आई विल ओनली बी द हेड इफ यू लेट मी टेक पार्ट इन द इवेंट एज वेल. So that happened, and this episode is actually going to be divided into several segments because I want to show you everything, not just the actual event of the Bollywood Orchestra, but everything that led up to the event. So right from auditions, सिंगर्स का सिलेक्ट होना, हमारे प्रैक्टिस सेशंस, बिहाइंड द सीन्स, वो सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. सो दिस एपिसोड इज एक्चुअली अबाउट सम ऑफ द स्निपेट्स विच वर रिकॉर्डेड राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम द ऑडिशंस बिगैन. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे ऑडिशंस की एक झलक in which I'm going to be putting one snippet of me introducing the judges and flagging off the auditions open. And uske baad we are going to see some tiny snippets from our practice sessions which were equally fun as well. So let's watch the audition video first.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Antas Sangeet Bollywood Orchestra Auditions 2019. I am Genia Chattopadhyay from TYBA and I am the Sangeet head for this year. So for all those of you who don't know, Antas is happening on the 27th and 28th of November, and Bollywood Orchestra is the flagship event which happens on the evening of 28th November. It's not a competition, it's an event which gives a platform to young singers to showcase their talent. So let me start by introducing the judges for today. Our first judge is Mrs. Veena Nanavati. She's a trained light classical vocalist. She's a trained light classical vocalist and has sung in various programs. And apart from being a singer, she's also a very talented painter and a writer, and has recently released a Gujarati book of poems, which is called Who. This is the book. So, our next judge is Dr. Chandranath Chattopadhyay. He is an artist. All India Radio and Doordarshan, and he has been trained in Hindustani classical music under Pandit Amarnath Ji, the senior-most disciple of Ustad Amir Khan Sahab from the Indore Gharana, and he has been awarded as the Intervarsity champion and is also a Surmani awardee. He has also performed in various shows in India and abroad. Can we have another round of applause? Right, so without any further ado, I'll introduce the judging criteria to you and then some ground rules that all the participants are expected to follow.
ऑडिशन हो गया, सिंगर सिलेक्ट हो गए और अब दिवाली वेकेशंस में हो रहे थे हमारे प्रैक्टिसेस. सो लेट्स सी सम स्निपेट्स फ्रॉम आवर प्रैक्टिस सेशंस.
Make sure all of you are there. Ticket sales are going to start soon. This is my team of singers. And we are working really hard to put up a great show. So do come, do bring all your friends and family members along. See you there.
Bye.
enjoyed watching those pre-Bollywood Orchestra event snippets in this video. Actual मजा तो अभी शुरू होने वाला है. I am going to come up with the actual videos of the event itself, so make sure you don't miss that. And I really miss my Bollywood Orchestra days because, man, those were some of the best days of my life. Really, I'm not exaggerating when I say that. Bollywood Orchestra gave me not just fond memories and things to take back, but I also made some lifelong friendships. I came across some really talented people who ended up becoming great friends along the way. And of course, amazing memories तो बने ही. साथ में इतने बड़े स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिला consecutively 3 सालों के लिए. So it was amazing. And sometimes I think कि काश मैंने जूनियर कॉलेज में भी पार्टिसिपेट किया होता. But for those of you who don't know, मुझे कॉलेज पहुंचने के लिए और कॉलेज से वापस आने के लिए 1 घंटा लगता था, as in 2 hours combined. So participating in any fest meant that I would have to wait back in college for practices. And कर्फ्यू टाइम काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट था घर पे. सो बहुत ही ऐसे गिने चुने फेस्ट थे जिसमें मैं पार्टिसिपेट करती थी, बिकॉज आई न्यू दैट आई हैड टू मैनेज माई एकेडमिक्स, होम, एज वेल एज ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. बट बॉलीवुड ऑर्केस्ट्रा वॉज वन सच इवेंट. चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे करना ही था ये इवेंट. बहुत सारी फॉन्ड मेमरीज है विच आई रियली वॉन्ट टू शेयर विद ऑल ऑफ यू, बट आई विल कीप दैट ऑन होल्ड फॉर नाउ. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you like it, share it across with all your friends ताकि उन्हें भी पता चले that how much मेहनत goes behind putting up a great show. And yes, subscribe to the channel. Also, comments में बता देना which part of the video you liked the most or what your favorite memories from your college fest days were. And I will see you in the next part of this video जिसमें actual event के snippets होंगे, so don't miss that. Stay safe, stay awesome, keep shining. Hasta la vista.